Hey everybody, it's Neil, and me and Rambo here are going to, Rambo right here, are going to try out this Ultrasonic dog trainer. So let's check this out and see what's in the box here. It says Edge Ultrasonic Dog Trainer. So let's open it up, and inside we have the Ultrasonic Dog Trainer Guide. So it kind of tells you a little bit about what you can do with it. So it looks like there's going to be two different modes, but we'll look at it here. So this is it here. So this is what it looks like there, and it comes with a charging cable that is micro USB. It looks like micro USB, and then here is the little holder for it that we can put in there to put a string on it. So let's do that. Connect it up here. So there's that. Okay, so there. So now we can hang it from our hand or something. Don't eat that. And then see, we have it here, and it's got an on, off, and train and alarm button. So if I turn it on and then I do train, let's see what it does here. Rambo, can you hear it? Oh, he does not like that. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna say he doesn't like it. So I guess that's what it is. It's the deter button. You push that, and that's gonna get your dog to run away. Let me see. Oh, it is a really high-pitched noise. Can you hear it? Yeah. Yeah. Well, I can't show you with Rambo anymore because he ran away. But so that's what it's gonna do. So that's a pretty good thing to carry around if you wanna deter your dog. So if he's getting into something that you don't like, push that button as you're facing it to him, and it looks like it's definitely directional. If I push it this way, I can't hear anything. But then when I aim it, that's when you hear it. So pretty cool, and it's got lights and everything. So pretty cool little dog trainer, dog deterrent. So gonna say that's cool, very convenient, nice, easy to carry, and nice that it's rechargeable too. So you just recharge it back there. Seems good to me. Thumbs up. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon.